This is new at 5 now. Salem leaders outlining plans to address homelessness and mental health.
And they include expanding the city's homeless services team and deploying mental health experts with emergency responders. Katu's Vasily Varlamos is live for us in Salem. So, Vasily, the plan will cost the city quite a bit.
Yes, Deb, about $650,000 over the first 6 months. Some city leaders say the plan will reduce homelessness and improve safety, while others say the money could be better spent elsewhere. The Salem City Council outlining plans to expand and launch programs designed to respond to mental health crises and improve safety downtown. One of the programs involves sending a mental health worker alongside EMTs and paramedics on 911 calls involving behavioral health. The other would add 2 more police officers to the homeless services team. The team connects homeless individuals to services, monitors and lawfully removes homeless encampments when called for.
Their mission is not necessarily to make arrests. It's not to make arrests at all, frankly. It's to try to mitigate some of those public health situations and those public safety issues by connecting people to services through relationship building, but also keeping everyone safe.
This would allow the team to go from working 4 days a week to 7. However, there are different ideas on how effective these plans will be. Jimmy Jones runs one of Salem's largest homeless service agencies. While he supports the city's budget for the next year, he doubts the new crisis teams will do much to end homelessness. Jones would rather see the city continue to invest in more housing and shelter beds, an idea he says has shown real progress over the years.
These kinds of crisis management response are sort of acute in nature. They're short term. They're designed to resolve the public's complaint, the business owner's complaint, but they're not really designed to end homelessness.
City officials plan to have the necessary funding in place by the start of next year. However, the actual rollout of these programs may take a bit longer. Live in Salem, Vasily Varlamos, K2 News.
Vasily, thank you. The push to expand homeless services comes as the number of homeless people increases in Marion and Polk counties.
In 2025, the pit count there says there were more than 2,100 homeless people. That's a record amount. The majority of them were unsheltered. 47% of them reported being homeless for the first time in their lives.
Portland already has its own specialized unarmed response teams, Portland Street Response. They respond to non-life-threatening situations, actually expanded their services in March. They can now shuttle clients to places like shelters, detox centers, and food pantries. And they can respond inside certain spots like government buildings and public businesses. They can also respond alongside Portland Police, Portland Fire and Rescue, and AMR.
Around the same time, PSR expanded Cahoots, an alternative crisis intervention in Eugene, stopped responding to calls. That's despite widespread success. The reason, a lack of funding. Calls to the program now go to the Springfield Police Department's non-emergency line.